Hi everyone, we're going to rewrite each expression as a single logarithm. We're going to be using our product rule and our quotient rule, and on these last two we'll also be using the power rule. And so we're going to do 4 problems here. If you have a particular one you want to do, you can just scroll and do those. So the first one is this one, and we want 1 log, so in this case it's natural log. Keep it in blue. And what you're going to do is, if there's this is a positive, so what we're going to do is write it like this, because we have this negative, and we're going to write y times w, and the z goes in the denominator. If you notice, what I did is, if they were positive, I kept it in the numerator, and if it's negative, I put it in the denominator. And that's your single log, natural log. Okay, this one the same thing. In this case, we have this 1 here, so I'm going to call 1 for natural log is ln of e. Okay? Because ln of e equals 1. So I want all these to have ln's in them. So again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to write the ln, and I'm going to do this line here. If it's positive, it goes in the numerator. And if it's negative, which is this one, it goes in the denominator. So it's C, D, and then E. And that's how you would do that. Okay? This one, the first thing I'm going to do is do the power property and move these numbers as a power. And I'm going to do that first. So it's be k to the 4th plus log of p to the 3rd minus log of q to the 1/2, which is basically the square root of q. So I'm going to write 1 single log. I'm going to do my line. If it's positive, it goes in the numerator. And if it's negative, like this is right here, it's going to go in the denominator. And since that's 1/2, I'm just going to do square root. Whoops. Square root of q. You could leave it as 1/2 if you wanted to. And the last one, the same thing. I'm going to first do my power property. That's log of f to the 7th and minus log of v to the 1/4 plus log of r. Now, v to the 1/4 is the 4th root. So I'm going to write 1 log. I'm going to draw my line. If it's positive, like these two are the positive ones, so it's going to be f to the 7th times r. This one is negative, so that goes in the denominator, and it's to the 1/4, so that's the 4th root of v. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.